beautiful viewers. Welcome to my new video. So, in this video, I'm gonna talk about what is car insurance and how does car insurance work. So, before start the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell button. So, almost every state mandates drivers carry a minimum amount of liability insurance, and you must meet those requirements in order to drive legally. Additionally, if you bought your car with a car loan or are leasing a vehicle, your lender will almost certainly have specific coverage requirements you must follow. You are required to carry car insurance for a number of different reasons, but you might also wonder what it is you are paying for. Knowing the basics of car insurance may help you make an informed decision when choosing the best policy that fits within your budget and meets your coverage needs. From covering selection to filing claims, Bankrate breaks down car insurance and provide you with some tips on how you might be able to lower your rate. So, what is car insurance? Car insurance is a way to protect yourself financially. If you are involved in a car accident or suffer a loss through fire, theft, vandalism, or an act of nature, some types of car insurance coverage not only apply if you are at fault in the accident, while others pay when you are not at fault. Furthermore, some coverage help with medical bills and other pertain to property and vehicle damage. In 2020, car insurance claims average 2,235 US dollar for bodily injuries and 4,711 for property damage, regardless of the types of coverage. One of the key things to know is that the coverage limit you chose is as much as your policy will pay out. Any amount outside of that is considered your responsibility. For this reason, it is essential to balance policy affordability with level of coverage. Types of car insurance. When selecting your coverage on a car insurance policy, there are many options to choose from. Liability coverage, for instance, typically has stage mandated minimum limits that you must carry to register your car and drive it legally. Other coverage types like comprehensive and collision are usually optional unless you lease or finance your car. Bodily injuries liability coverage. Bodily injuries liability coverage provides medical payment for passengers in the other vehicles if you are at fault in the accident. Property damage liability. Property damage liability coverage provides payment for damage you may cause to property if you are at fault in the accident. This property can include other vehicles along with stationary objects like light poles and structure. Collision coverage. Collision provides coverage for your vehicle if you are at fault in the accident or are struck by a hit and run driver. The payout is determined by your vehicle's actual cash value minus your deductible. Collision is small half of what most people refer to as full coverage. Your lender will usually require collision and comprehensive coverage if you are financing or leasing, and they may have rules regarding your deductible amount. Comprehensive coverage insured and underinsured motorist coverage, medical payment coverage, personal injury protection. While these are the most basic car insurance policy coverage type, many other options exist. Some of these include gap insurance, rental reimbursement, emergency roadside assistance, mechanical breakdown insurance, and new car replacement. Some of these coverage types are not available at every company or for every vehicle. So, how does car insurance work? Car insurance works by taking on some of the financial risks involved in driving and owning a car. A car insurance company does this in exchange for a premium. Your insurance agent can help you determine what types and level of coverage best suit your needs. And once you reach that agreement, you purchase your policy by paying the premium. An insurance policy is a contract based on a good faith agreement that if you are involved in a coverage claim, your insurance company will pay for damage based on your coverage and up to the limit you carry. Sometimes a specific coverage types will carry a deductible. This is the amount of money you must pay out of pocket to use that coverage. This is often the case with comprehensive and collision. For instance, a 5,000 US dollar deductible on collision means that the first 500 worth of damage to your vehicle is your responsibility if you are at fault in an accident. The rest of the damage is covered by your insurance company. Sometimes your insurance company will subtract the deductible from your payout amount. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell button.